So guys, recently I have bought these two devices. This is Redmi Note 8 Pro and this is Realme X2 Pro. This one costs 16,000 rupees because it is a 6GB 128GB ROM variant. This is a 30,000 rupee phone, 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage, and I have bought them with my own money. So first of all, this has to be clear. With that said, let me tell you that today I am going to compare these devices. There are huge price difference and the specification difference in both the devices. So let's see which one performs better. I know this one will perform better because it has much better specifications. But still, let's test it out how far behind this smartphone from this smartphone. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is a speed test comparison between Redmi Note 8 Pro and Realme X2 Pro. So let's begin. So first of all guys, let me tell you the specification of both devices. First of all, we have this Redmi Note 8 Pro, and as you all aware that this one comes with the MediaTek processor, MediaTek Helio G90T, and this one has 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Yeah, and moving to this device, this one has Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, which is the top of the line processor that Qualcomm has to offer right now. Best of the best, no doubt about that. It has 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. So yeah, first of all, let's open both the devices. This one has 90Hz display, so let's first of all go to the display setting and put the display to 60Hz, because this one also has 60Hz refresh rate, screen refresh rate 60Hz. So now both of them are running on 60Hz display. I have did some benchmark of these two phones in the Geekbench. As you see over here, the Redmi Note 8 Pro scores 497 and this one scores 658. Huge difference. And even in the multi-core, this one scored 1613 and this one score more than 2000. So yeah, huge difference in the benchmark. Moving to the Antutu benchmark, so here also 4,50,000 almost, and the Redmi Note 8 Pro scores 2,82,000. So yeah, this was the benchmark scores. Now let's compare the speed of the internal storage and the RAM. So I have tested the speed of the RAM. So as you see, this smartphone has 6GB of RAM and the speed is almost 20 gigabytes per second. In the Realme X2 Pro, the RAM speed is almost 10 gigabytes more than this one. This one has 30 gigabytes per second RAM speed, so which is insane. And moving to the internal storage, this one has UFS 2.1 storage, and this one, the Realme X2 Pro, has UFS 3.0 storage. And as you clearly see here, the write speed is 200 Mbps almost, and in this phone too, the write speed is almost 220 Mbps. It's decent, not bad, but I would have expected a little bit more write speed from the Realme X2 Pro. But still, when it comes to read speed, this one gives you almost 1 Gbps, 1 gigabyte per second read speed, and this one gives you almost 455 megabyte per second of read speed. So yeah, this is the read and write speed of both the devices. Now let's close all the applications that we are running in the background, and let me tell you that we are connected on the same network, that is a TechGufe 5G. So with that out of the way, let's move to the main page which I have made to test those devices. So first of all, we have all the applications that almost all of you guys are using in the day-to-day basis. We have Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Chrome, Uber, Ola, Camera, Amazon, Flipkart, Music, Subscriber, all of these. So we'll test it. Let's first of all test the app opening speed, and it will basically test the processor speed and the internal storage speed. So let's start with the Instagram. 3, 2, 1. Faster. As you have seen, the Realme X2 Pro opens it faster. Let's move to the Facebook. Same story. TikTok is also faster. Moving to the YouTube. YouTube is also faster. Very fast actually. Let's move to the Chrome. Way faster. Chrome is way faster in this phone. So let's open any page. Okay. Let's go to the Mac section. Okay, both are equally fast. Let's select Mac Pro. This one is a bit faster. So yeah, this was the Chrome speed. Now let's move to the Prime Video. Let's open the Prime Video. Actually, the Realme X2 Pro is faster. Let's open Uber. Okay, it is significantly faster. Then move to the Ola cabs. Same story. It is significantly faster. Let's open the camera. Same story here too. Amazon is also faster in terms of the opening. Flipkart, same. Music, similar story. Subscriber counter, similar story here too. Let's open the PUBG. Now here are some high-end tests, because these are the games and this has to be very, very fast. So let's open PUBG. 3, 2, 1. Let's see which one will open faster. Whoa, guys, do you see that? Redmi Note 8 Pro is already inside the game. My god, this is weird. What? As you see, guys, so yeah, there is something where the Redmi Note 8 Pro wins. I am waiting to that phone to catch up. I don't think so. Okay, server didn't respond. Okay, there's some issue in the PUBG of this phone. So first of all, let's go home and clear this game. Just PUBG Mobile. Not all the phone, all the application has to be in the background. And let's start the PUBG Mobile again. There was some network error. As you see, this time this is way faster. So yeah, it has to be in the background, right? We have to test the RAM too. I mean, multitasking performance of this phone. So yeah, it is still opening. I guess there is an issue because I have logged in same ID in both the phones. That is why I guess there is some issues of the IDs. Correct, I got it. It's an ID issue. Okay, let's go back and let's open Asphalt 9. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's already opened in the Realme X2 Pro. The Redmi Note 8 Pro is almost 2 seconds behind the Realme X2 Pro. Now let's open Modern Combat 5. Wow. Both are very, very fast. It's already opened. This is also open. So almost 2 second difference. Okay. So guys, now we will see the RAM management. So let's start again. Instagram, this one has in the RAM, this one does not. So yeah, Facebook. Okay, the RAM management of this phone is pretty fantastic. TikTok. Okay, TikTok was in the RAM in this Redmi Note 8 Pro as compared to this one. Let's open Facebook. YouTube, I mean YouTube is also inside the RAM of this phone, so it's great. Let's open Chrome. Chrome is also in the RAM of this Realme X2 Pro. Let's open Prime Video. Okay, Prime Video is, I guess, both of them has in the RAM, in the memory basically. Let's open Uber. Both of them are reopening the Uber. Ola, this one has kept in the memory and this one has to reload. I mean, this one is, by the way, Redmi Note 8 Pro and this one is Realme X2 Pro. So yeah, let's open camera. This one has it in the memory and this one has to reload. Amazon, both of them has to reload. Flipkart, okay, both of them has to reload. Amazon Music, this one has in the, okay, this one has to reload and this one has in the memory, so that's good actually. Let's open subscriber count. Both of them has to reload. Now the main task, PUBG. Okay, so both of them has to reload the PUBG Mobile. That's weird because I was expecting this smartphone to has the PUBG Mobile in the memory, but it does not. But yeah, now let's open the Asphalt 9. Okay, so again both of them are reloading the game. Let's open the Modern Combat 5. Okay, again both of them are reloading. All the things are in the memory. Let's open KineMaster and let's export a video and let's see the encoding performance of both the phones. This one is Redmi Note 8 Pro and this one is Realme X2 Pro. Let's open the new project 16:9. Media. I have made a video. I have shot a video, basically a 30-second 4K 30 FPS footage. So yeah, let's put them into the timeline. Let's open. Let's go to the speed and slow it down to 0.25x. Similar here too. Let's put it on 0.25. Let's export. Okay, now it's perfect. Export. So as you see guys, let me put it on 15 Mbps. Yep. So as you see, both of them are on 15 Mbps. The final file is about 228 MB. Okay, so let's open the timer and we'll see which one will win. So let's export the videos guys. Export. 3, 2, 1, skip. This is the Realme X2 Pro, by the way. This is the Redmi Note 8 Pro. And as you see over here, the speed of this phone is faster than this one. But let's see. And we are done. It's showing the advertisement, but let's close it. So this Realme X2 Pro has already finished the encoding of the video in the 33 seconds basically. And as you see, this is about to be done. And we are done. So as you saw guys, Redmi Note 8 Pro took around 52 seconds and Realme X2 Pro took around 33 seconds to export the same basically 30-second 4K video in 30 FPS. So there is a huge difference. If you want very high performance in terms of the video encoding or something like that, you should consider to buy this smartphone. So yeah, and by the way, there are a huge price difference. I was expecting the speed to be like that. Let's restart both the phone. Okay, so we are in already. That's great. And we are also into that. So both of them are rebooted guys. And I have to say guys, I am very impressed by the performance of this smartphone. This smartphone costs just 16,000 rupees and it has the courage to like keep up with this phone. I mean, it is not able to keep up with this phone, but still you are not going to actually see the difference between these two phones' performance in the day-to-day usage. But when you are doing a very heavy task, you will definitely notice them. So if you don't have any issues with the little bit slower smartphone, then you can definitely buy the smartphone. I mean, this smartphone has a lot of extra perks as compared to this one, like 90Hz display, AMOLED display, better speakers. Yeah, all those things are there. But still, in terms of the speed wise, this one is far better than this one. But we cannot say this is slow phone because this is also a very fast, very fast phone. What do you guys think? Do let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so that's all in this video guys. I hope you found this video helpful. By the way, this video takes a lot of efforts to make. So if you can hit that like button, it would mean a lot to me. And if you can share this video, it will be very helpful for me. So yeah, that's all. Thank you so much. By the way guys, if you love my content, you can subscribe to this channel with that bell notification icon so you'll be notified when I post new videos like this one. By the way, if you wanna buy any of these devices, I will leave the link in the description box below from where I can purchase it. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye.